So after all these years in the food industry, I'm finally starting at my own restaurant. Now I just need to build a website for it.
Wow, that's so amazing. Are you gonna use a web app to build it?
A web app? What app? The only app I need are these fingers in front of me and a brain up here.
Wow, good luck.
Let's see. Almost there. Hey, that's pretty good. Straight to the point.
Now, let me show you a video about how to build a website.
Alright, fine.
Hi, my name is Cameron and I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to make the perfect website using Wix. I like Wix because not only is it free, but it is also very easy to manage. So as you can see, when you type in wix.com, you can click on the website and this is what the home page looks like. So for this video, I'm just going to click the restaurant and food link for this one. And when you click on the link, it will take you to a different page where you can pick whatever template you choose to use for your website. And then once you've decided what template to use, now is when you'll be able to get started on the website making process. So for me, I'm just going to click the first one. It is pretty simple. Wait for it to load. So once it's loaded, this is basically what it looks like. Here are all the different site tools you can use to edit it, and here as well you can always delete things, add things on here as well. So as you scroll down, you can kind of see this is just basically an aid of what this template looks like, or what your website could look like. You can always change or add pictures. Basically, it's just up to you and what your liking is. So if you want to change text, you can click on whatever text you would like to change. Click the button change text, and here it is right here. You can add stuff here, and then you can always change the link. So this is where does it link to. At the moment it is changed, the link is for home. You can always click on the link button here and change wherever you want this text to be linked to. So right here, the next one is change page background. You click on that and it just shows you a whole bunch of different backgrounds here. You click on color, it kind of shortens it down to a different range, so you can click whatever color you want. And if the color that you want is not on here, you can always click this right here and add color, and you just kind of pick whatever color you want it to look like. So then you can go into images, and images, these are all the images that are on my computer at the moment. These are on my media. If you want to go on your social images, you can click on the social media pages, and they have one here. This is free from Wix. These are the pictures that Wix provides. So it's a very broad range of categories you can choose, all the way from interiors to sports and nature and all that stuff. So you can click exit off there. And if you want to do a video, you can. If you click on free from Wix, these are just videos. They're like little mini videos. They move a little bit, which are always pretty cool to add onto your website. Exit from that. And then as you go down into the website, here are more pictures that you can add or delete these pictures and add your own pictures. And right here, you can always, if you want to keep what this is here, you can change the text and stuff like that. And if you go here to menus and pages, this is basically your site menu. So this is all your different pages on the website. If you click on them, they automatically take you to where the link is already set to here. And then if you click to this next one, these are the different page backgrounds as I showed you earlier. If you click to this plus, these are a whole bunch of different things you can use to add onto your website. You got text, image, gallery, vector art, shape, and so on. And if you click on here, this is just the WIP app market. So if you do have an app for your business or your website, you can always just link it here. We've got uploads. These are just uploads. It says my uploads, so these are uploads from my computer. So if you have things on your computer that you want to upload to the website, you can do that as well. So I'm going to click back here and I'm going to click onto the next page, and you can the same thing goes for all these pages to edit and all that stuff. Here is also really cool because you can always set the links to wherever you want it to go, and you can change. You can see here, you can rename it to whatever you want it to say on your website, and then you can click that. Last but not least on this website tutorial, if you click preview, you can click preview, and this is basically what your website will look like in the preview look without anything to use to edit. So you can kind of see basically an overview of what it is. So here's an option for the menu. So you see the menu, you click this, and it immediately takes you to that page. Then you can go back to editor up in the top corner if you want to go back to editing some more things. And you can also click publish in the corner if you are done with your website, you love the way it looks. You can click publish so that way everyone can see your website and it is already on the internet. And yep, that's about it. Also, when you're done, you can save, so that way you can save your work and you can come back to it when you're done. And these few buttons here are undo and redo if you made a mistake and you want to change it. And thank you. This is the website tutorial. Thank you.
Isn't it easy to create a website using Wix?
Yeah, no coding necessary.
After you have designed a website, you may have add-on applications that could enhance your website traffic. You could team up with strategic partners that complement your business. For example, a website that sells organic products may partner with an upcoming recipe developer to give cooking ideas to the shoppers. Social media such as Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook could potentially expand your business horizon as they are able to enhance your website exposure to end user. You could also create periodic promotional drive at your website to retain customer loyalty and also creating brand awareness for a long-term goal. Additionally, the website can also be integrated with other features such as reservations or booking, shopping carts and payment processing, and accounting business tools such as QuickBooks or Sage 50. Finally, the European Union has enforced a regulation called General Data Protection Regulation starting May 25, 2018. This regulation is to protect all European Union citizens' data privacy that may have collected by any organization. It is very important to ensure that your website is GDPR compliant to avoid hefty fine.